Welcome all of you in online classes, Urmila Devi PG College, Rasar Barod, Prayagraj. Today considered BSc third year syllabus, mathematics subject. Our article is problems on bilinear transformation. Today considered some questions which are dependent on the bilinear transformation. And we are already read about the bilinear transformation. Here consider first question is rectangular region capital R on Z plane is bounded by x बराबर 0, y बराबर 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Determine the region R dash on W plane in which capital R is mapped under the transformation W is equal to under root 2 times e to power I pi by 4 times z plus 1 minus 2I. In this question, given that a bilinear transformation W is equal to under root 2 e to power I pi by 4 z plus 1 minus 2I, and considered z and W plane. In z plane here a rectangular whose line length is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1 in the z plane. In this question, so that and determine the region R dash in W plane with help of this transformation. So first draw the points on the z plane for given rectangular x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1. After then, with help of this transformation, you can calculate the points on W plane and draw on the graph with help. So for this process, you can complete the image of W plane of Z plane. Okay. So first consider the given transformation. W is equal to under root 2 times e to power I pi by 4 times z plus 1 minus 2I is given transformation. W is equal to under root 2 times e to power I pi by 4 times z plus 1 minus 2I. Here 1 minus 2I is a complex number. So in this transformation, first separating the real and imaginary parts of W plane and Z plane. After then you can calculate to the points on Z plane and W plane. So putting W is equal to U plus IV, corresponding Z is equal to X plus IY. So then putting W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY. You know that in the W plane, W is equal to U plus IV, where U is a real number and small v is a imaginary number. Same as in the Z plane, X is a real number and Y is imaginary number. So first putting these values in the given transformation and calculate the real values U corresponding to X and Y variables. Same as the value of imaginary value v corresponding to x and y terms. So after putting this value in the given transformation, it is implies to W is equal to under root 2 times e to power I pi by 4 times z plus 1 minus 2I. Here W is equal to U plus IV under root 2 times e to power I by 4, you know that it is exponential formula. E to power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. With help expand to this e to power I by 4. So here write cos pi by 4 plus I times sin pi by 4. You know that about this. And z is equal to x plus IY plus 1 minus 2I. We are putting the value of cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4, which are equal to 1 by under root 2. So 1 by under root 2 times 1 plus I divided by under root 2. Here under root 2 is LCM, because cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by under root 2 plus I times sin pi by 4 is also equal to 1 by under root 2. So 1 by under root 2 taken outside from the bracket, and in the bracket write 1 plus I, and x plus iy, the value of z, x plus iy plus 1 minus 2i is given value of complex number. Here under root 2 cancels from each other, and write 1 plus I with x plus iy multiplying plus 1 minus 2i. It is equal to, here 1 multiplied by this is equal to x plus iy, and small I multiply this ix plus ix, I into I square y. You know that the value of I square is equal to minus 1. So here write I square is equal to minus 1, means minus y, plus 1 minus 2i. In this simplification, consider all complex variables in one bracket, and second bracket taking all real values. So here x and minus y and plus 1 are real values in this simplification. So is equal to, in first bracket, x minus y and plus 1 plus I times, here I taken common from the imaginary parts, iy, ix and minus 2i. So here write x plus y and minus 2. I taken outside from the I times y, I times x and I times minus 2. These are imaginary values of complex numbers. So here x minus y plus 1 plus I times x plus y minus 2 is, after simplification to the given transformation, w is equal to under root 2 e to power I pi by 4 z plus 1 minus 2i. So is here is complete. U plus I v is equal to x minus y plus 1 plus I times x plus y minus 2. After this, comparing both sides of real and imaginary parts. So real part in LHS side is equal to u. So by comparing real and imaginary parts, then u is equal to, here real value of in LHS side is small u and RHS side x minus y plus 1. Therefore u is equal to x minus y plus 1. U is equal to x minus y plus 1, and imaginary value is LHS side is small v and RHS side is x plus y minus 2. So putting v is equal to x plus y minus 2, coefficient of small I in LHS side and RHS side. So v is equal to x plus y minus 2. Here considered in equation first and equation second. So in the equation first and second is the clear values of real and imaginary parts. Small u is equal to x minus y plus 1 and small v is equal to x plus y minus 2 is clear values of real and imaginary parts of the given transformation. After comprising to real and imaginary values and putting w is equal to u plus iv for w plane and z is equal to x plus iy for w z plane. Okay. So after this, here taking questions. In the question given that z plane is region capital R which is bounded by boundary x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So for this, first complete to the table for z plane, table for z plane and points x and y values, x and y, x is equal to 0, 0, and x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Here from the given boundary condition, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These is equations of lines. X is equal to 0, equation of imaginary line, y axis, y is equal to 0, equation of real axis, real axis, x axis, and x is equal to 2 is line parallel to the y axis, y is equal to 1 is line equation parallel to x axis. So first draw a figure on the z plane. Here x axis and y axis. First line is x is equal to 0. So given x is equal to 0 is first line. Means in the figure x is equal to 0 is line y axis. So here taken y axis. This is line some distance from the origin, and second line is y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 from figure is clear that y is equal to 0 means x axis. So travel distance, some distance on the x axis, suppose that this, and from 0 to 0 point. Okay. After this, second line is x is equal to 2, which is parallel line to the y axis. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means parallel to y axis plus y to minus y direction. So here consider x is equal to 2 and draw a parallel line x is equal to 2. Parallel to the y axis, x is equal to 2, draw a line. After this, at last line equation is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 is parallel line to the x axis. Here y is equal to 1 is parallel to the x axis. So draw y, suppose that this is one distance on the y axis. So draw a line y is equal to 1. From the figure it is clear that closed boundary is clear on the figure. So after this, draw names, and here taken point A, taken point B, and taken point C. From the figure it is clear that points coordinates are capital A points on the x axis whose coordinates is 2 into 0, and point B whose coordinates are 2 into 1, and point capital C coordinates are in the y axis and x is equal to 0. So 0, 1, and point 0 coordinate 0, C. So after this process, it's clear that all coordinates of the intersecting point on the z plane, here right z plane is z plane. It's clear that in the z plane, points are point O, point A, point B, point C are intersecting points of the bounded boundary rectangular region. It is also called the vertex of rectangular region A, O, A, B, C, D, C, whose coordinates are A 2, 0, B 2, 1, C 0, 1, and O 0, 0. After this, with help of the equation first and second, find the real values of u and imaginary value v on the w plane, and find to the corresponding points on the w plane. So from figure first and second, from equation first and second, corresponding points of capital O whose coordinates are 0, 0 is O dash. Then find the coordinate of O dash. O dash means value of u and v. Here u is equal to x minus y plus 1, and v is equal to x plus y minus 2. In this equation, putting the all values of x and y for the coordinate capital O origin. So putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, then after calculation u is equal to 1, and in second x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, therefore v is equal to minus 2. So it is implies that corresponding points O dash coordinates are 1 minus 2, and corresponding point capital A dash, here capital A dash, u is equal to x minus y plus 1 and v is equal to x plus y minus 2. In this equation, putting the all values of x and y from the point capital A coordinate, here point capital A coordinates are 2 and 0, means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Putting in this equation, then find the coordinates of corresponding point capital A dash. It is implies that A dash x is equal to 2, means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and v is equal to x plus y minus 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 cancels from each other. So second quadrant is 0, and capital B dash is the corresponding point capital B points on the z plane. So same process taking for capital B dash, u is equal to x minus y plus 1 and v is equal to x plus y minus 2. It is implies that capital B dash coordinates are, here capital B coordinates are 2 and 1. So putting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels from each other, and x is equal to 2. First quadrant is 2, and second quadrant v is equal to x plus y minus 2. Here putting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So 2 minus 2 cancels each other and remain is y. So second coordinate is 1. At last, point capital C, corresponding point capital C is denoted by C dash, and same process taking for this point, v is equal to x plus y minus 2. It is implies that here coordinates of C is equal to 0 comma 1. So putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in this, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels from each other, and C dash first quadrant is 0, and second quadrant x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So 0 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. It's clear that all coordinates of corresponding point on W plane, A dash, B dash, C dash and O dash. So it's clear that you can draw a figure on the W plane with help of these points coordinates. Then on W plane, consider is u axis real and v axis imaginary. First point is O dash. O dash because origin O dash is taken first point, capital A taken second point, capital B taken third point, capital C taken fourth point of the rectangular region. R dash, here R is R and the W plane, whose corresponding points are O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, and coordinates are is clear. 1 minus 2, 3 0, B dash coordinates are 2 1, C dash coordinates are 0 minus 1. Please plot this on the W plane. In the W plane, this axis taken as real axis u and vertical taken y axis, means imaginary axis corresponding v small v. So first point taken y dash on the real 1 and imaginary minus 2. Suppose that is 1 and is minus 2. So is point O dash whose coordinates 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. Okay. And the second point is A dash whose coordinates 3, 3, 0, means x axis traveling 3 and y equal to 0. C is 3. Suppose that 3 is denoted point A dash 3, 0, 3, 0. And corresponding point B dash whose coordinates are 2, 1. Real axis traveling 2 distance and y axis imaginary axis traveling 1 distance. So here real 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Suppose that is 1, 1 and 2 and 3. So 2 and 1, 2 and 1. This point denoted B dash whose coordinates are 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. At last point is C dash whose coordinates are 0, minus 1. So 0 is x axis and minus 1 is y axis. So here taken minus 1 is minus 2. So half of this is minus 1 and point C dash whose coordinates are 0, minus 1. On the W plane, clear points O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Please intersecting to these points and draw a straight line from O to A to B dash, B to C dash and C to O dash. So W plane, clear region R dash is denoted by region R dash bounded by line O dash A dash, A dash B dash, B dash C dash and C dash O dash. You can calculate the line equations with help of the coordination geometry, means line equation x minus x1 divided by L y minus y1. By this formula you can calculate to the all equations of these lines, fourth O A dash, B dash, B dash C dash and C dash O dash. Is complete solution of the question first. So in the question first, given a region capital R, a Z plane and a equation, means transformation W is equal to under root 2 e to power I pi by 4 times Z plus 1 minus 2I. In this transformation, putting the value of W and Z, U plus IV and X plus IY respectively, for calculating the real and imaginary values U and small v. Okay. So here calculation you can see that, and U is value small u is equal to x minus y plus 1 and small v is equal to x plus y minus 2 after comparing to real and imaginary parts of this equation. So is denoted by equation first and second. After this, draw a table for given boundary conditions, the values of x and y, and Z plane, draw a figure capital R bounded by x is equal to 0 line, y is equal to 0 line, x is equal to 2 line, y is equal to 1 line, which is parallel to the x axis, y axis respectively. So is complete figure on the Z plane whose transformation 1 to the W plane with help of this table. So please calculate to the all points coordinates, point A, point B, point C, point O, 0 from the figure. 0 means origin whose coordinates 0, 0, point A on the x axis whose coordinate is 2, 0 and point B coordinates 2, 1, point C coordinates 0, 1. You can calculate very simply the coordinates of capital A, capital B, capital C, capital O on the Z plane. After this, help of the equations second and third, means values of U and V, means calculate to the corresponding points O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash on the W plane by putting the real and imaginary real values x and imaginary values y from the points on this equation. So here corresponding y dash, first write to the equation u is equal to x minus y plus 1 and v is equal to x plus y minus 2. After this, putting the value of x and y, here x for the point capital O 0 and y is equal to also 0. So after calculating to this and find to the coordinates of corresponding point y dash, which is are 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is complete coordinates of O dash. Similarly, you can calculate to the coordinates of A dash, coordinates of B dash, coordinate of C dash by putting the corresponding values of x, y from point capital A, x, y from point capital B, x, y from point capital C. Okay, so putting these values of capital A dash, B dash, C dash, whose coordinates are 3, 0, 2, 1, 0 minus 1. So for W plane, complete 4 points coordinates O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. In the graph, draw this axis, horizontal axis is real axis, small u, and vertical axis, imaginary, small v. So plotting to these all points O dash, A dash, B dash, and after then meeting these lines, and here find to the enclosed region which is denoted by R dash on W plane. So this is complete solution of this question, and I want to next question. Please write next question. कल सी लड़कियां हैं पढ़ने. In second question, find the Mobius transformation which maps 0 small I minus 2 into 1 small I minus 1. Here in this question given that 3 points on the z plane, 0 small I minus 2, and on W plane 1 minus I minus 1. And find the question. In the question, aim is that find the Mobius transformation, means bilinear transformation, whose z image is W1 I minus 1. Means find to the Mobius transformation, that is bilinear transformation, for which image of 0 is 1, image of I is small I, image of minus 2 is equal to minus 1 from Z to W plane. So here first write to the points, given points on Z plane, given points on Z plane are Z1 is equal to 0, Z2 is equal to small I, and Z3 is equal to minus 2. Corresponding points, on W plane are W1 is equal to 1, W2 is equal to small I, and W3 is equal to minus 1. W3 equal to minus 1. Here in the Z plane, 3 points given are Z1, Z2, Z3. Corresponding image points on the W plane are W1, W2, W3. Aim of the question is that find the Mobius transformation, means bilinear transformation, for which this transfer to this points on the W plane. So with help of the cross, and after then taking point small w on Z plane, on W plane, corresponding to Z plane, Z point. After this, here present 4 points Z, Z1, Z2, Z3, okay, and on W plane 4 points are W, W1, W2, W3. After this, use to the cross ratio rule, by cross ratio rule, required bilinear transformation, required Mobius means bilinear transformation is W minus W1 divided by W1 minus W2, and second bracket W2 minus W3 divided by W3 minus W. Here by the rules of cross ratio, same process will be on the Z plane. So write Z minus Z1 divided by Z1 minus Z2, and Z2 minus Z3 is divided by Z3 minus Z. This is required by linear transformation by cross ratio rules, means image of W is equal to Z, image of W1 is equal to Z1, and also called is that image of Z1 is equal to W1, image of Z2 is equal to W2, image of Z3 is equal to W3. Okay, so is bilinear transformation according by to cross ratio rule. After this, putting the all values of these points, means Z1, Z2, Z3 and corresponding points W1, W2, W3 from the given equations. So W minus W1 is equal to 1, and 1 minus W2 is equal to W1 minus W2 is equal to small I, so small I, and second bracket W2 small I minus W3 is equal to minus 1, so minus and minus plus 1, in the bracket minus 1 minus W, minus 1 minus W, because W3 is equal to minus 1, putting minus 1 and minus W is common. So is equal to Z minus Z1 is equal to 0 is divided by 0 minus Z2, here putting the value of Z2 is equal to minus I, and Z2 minus Z2 minus Z3 means I minus plus 2, so I plus 2, and Z3 minus Z3 is equal to minus 2, so write minus 2 minus 2 minus Z, minus 2, so Z3 is equal to minus 2 and minus Z. In this W minus W1 means putting all values of W1, W2, W3 and Z1, Z2, Z3 from the given questions. So after this, W minus 1 divided by 1 minus I, 1 plus I, minus 1 minus W, Z minus 0 and I plus 2 and minus 2 minus Z. Here minus taken outside from the bracket, and also here and minus this cancels from each other. So write W minus 1 and I plus 1 is divided by minus 1 minus W, minus taken outside bracket, and write 1 plus W in bracket 1 minus I is equal to Z in bracket I plus 2 is divided by minus and minus cancels from each other, I times 2 plus Z. Here minus 1 multiplied by this 1 minus I is equal to I minus 1, and after this taken this all points 1 plus I and I minus 1 in the LHS side. So write as W minus 1 divided by 1 plus W means W plus 1. Write systematic form W minus 1 divided by W plus 1, and second bracket I plus 1 means 1 plus I, here minus multiply by this 1 minus I is equal to I minus 1, so I minus 1, I minus 1, okay. In the LHS side, Z times 2 plus I is divided by I times z plus 2, z plus 2. First transferring to the 1 plus I and I minus 1 from LHS side to RHS side. So here remain in LHS side is W minus 1 is divided by W plus 1, and I minus 1 is divided by 1 plus I. 1 plus I means I plus 1. Okay, and second bracket write z plus 2 times z, 2z plus 2z plus zi is divided by multiply by I is equal to zi plus 2i, zi plus 2i. After this, here taken two methods for solving to small w. First method is taking cross multiplication rules, and second method you can apply to numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator method. So first multiply to this and this, so is equal to 1 multiplied is equal to 2zi, and I means I square equal to minus 1, you know that. So minus z I square minus 1 means okay, z I square minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied to this is equal to minus 2z, and minus and zi, and denominator multiply this is equal to 1 zi plus 2i, I multiply by this is equal to minus z, I means I is equal to I square minus 1, same as I square minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So in denominator zi 2i minus z minus 2, and numerator is 2zi minus z minus 2z. After simplification you can write as 2zi and zi, here subtraction to each other is equal to zi only, and minus z minus 3z is divided by zi and z taken common, so z times write 2 minus I, z taken common, and write I minus 1 in the second bracket, 2 taken common, and write 2 I minus 1. So here in this denominator I minus 1 is common, you can take in common form zi minus 3z is divided by I minus 1 in second bracket z plus 2 is equal to w minus 1 by w plus 1. After this, taking rules of numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. So it is equal to w minus 1 plus w plus 1 is divided by w minus 1 minus w minus 1 is equal to numerator is z plus I, zi minus 3z, plus denominator is zi plus 2i minus z minus 2, and the numerator is zi minus 3z minus time denominator zi minus 2i plus z and plus 2. Here from this you can calculate very simply. So in numerator plus denominator, and denominator numerator minus denominator, same as RHS side, numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator. After cancelling, here write 1 and minus 1 cancel to each other, 2w, and denominator w and w cancels to each other, minus 2w minus 2, and here LHS side zi and zi is equal to 2zi, so 2zi, zi and zi is equal to 2zi minus 3z plus 2i minus 3z or minus z is equal to minus 4z and minus 2 in numerator, and denominator is equal to zi and zi cancels from each other. Minus 3z and plus z is equal to minus 2z, and after then last is minus 2i plus 2. So here write plus 2 minus 2i. 2 and 2 cancels from each other. Negative here, taking negative sign and cancels LHS RHS. So W is equal to zi 2zi plus 2i minus 4z minus 2 is divided by 2z plus 2i plus 2. In numerator and denominator 2 is common, so taken 2 outside from the bracket and cancels to each other. So it is implies to zi plus I minus 2z minus 1 is divided by z plus 2 and z plus 1 plus z plus I plus 1 is required by linear transformation. W is equal to zi plus I minus 2z minus 1 divided by z plus small I and plus 1. So in this question given 4 points, given 3 points 0, I minus 2 on z plane and W plane, corresponding points are 1, I minus 1. Aim of the question is find the bilinear transformation according which image of z plane is W plane corresponding points. For this here consider 3 points z1, z2, z3 and is denoted by same points given in the question. Corresponding W plane points are W1, W2, W3. After this taken extra points z corresponding to W plane, z plane and W plane, and using to the cross ratio rule find to the required bilinear transformation, Mobius bilinear transformation. So here according by to cross ratio rule, W minus W1 divided by W1 minus W2, W2 minus W3 divided by W3 minus W. Same process will be applied on z plane and write z minus z1 divided by z1 minus z2, z2 minus z3, z3 minus z. After this putting all values of z1, z2, z3 corresponding values w1, w2, w3 which are given in the questions. So putting these values and taking simplification process, reach at the point w minus 1 divided by w plus 1 is equal to 2zi minus z minus 2z minus zi divided by zi plus 2i minus z minus 2. So here in this fraction applying to the method numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, same as for LHS side and RHS side, and after cancellation law here w is equal to zi plus I minus 2z minus 1 divided by z plus I plus 1 is required by linear transformation by the cross ratio rule. So this is complete solution of the question. After this consider next question. Right to next question. In this question, if T1 z is equal to z plus 2 divided by z plus 3 and T2 z is equal to z divided by z plus 1. Find T1 inverse composition with T2 z. So in this question given two transformation whose rules are this and this, and find to and composition of T inverse with T2. So for this first calculate to the transformation T inverse while given the transformation T1 z is equal to z plus 2 divided by z plus 3, and second transformation is given that T2 z is equal to z divided by z plus 1 in z terms. Okay, so write to the solution given transformation given transformations are T1z is equal to z plus 2 is divided by z plus 3 is given first transformation, write to the first, and second transformation is T to Z is equal to Z divided by Z plus 1 denoted by second. These two transformation is given. First T1Z is equal to Z plus 2 divided by Z plus 3, and second transformation T2Z is equal to Z divided by Z plus 1. So first calculate to the transformation T inverse with help of the first transformation. So far here T1Z, since you know that Tz is equal to W, so it is implies that T1Z is equal to W, and therefore putting T1Z is equal to W from above, from transformation first, from transformation first T1Z replaced by W, because image of Z plane on the W plane. So T1Z is replaced by W. It is implies that W is equal to Z plus 2 divided by Z plus 3. After this, simplify to this equation for Z points and find to the value of Z from this fraction. It is implies that taking cross multiplication, so W times Z plus 3 is equal to Z plus 2. Multiply this is equal to WZ plus 3W is equal to Z plus 2, and all RHS taken left side is equal to 0. It is implied that Z and Z in first bracket, so taken Z in common form, write W minus 1, and remain is 3W minus 2 plus 3W minus 2 is equal to 0. So transfer to the left side and right side. Z is equal to minus times 3W minus 2 is divided by W minus 1. It is implies that 3W minus 2 is divided by 1 minus W. So it's clear that Z is equal to 3W minus 2 is divided by W minus 1. In this equation, the value of W in term of Z, so Z is equal to 3W minus 2 divided by W minus 1. After this here, since transformation T1Z is equal to W, then by inverse transformation rule is write as Z is equal to T inverse Z, from T1Z is equal to W, and it is implies that Z is equal to T1 inverse W. So from this is equal to, putting the value of Z, 3W minus 2 is divided by W minus 1. T1 inverse W is equal to 3W minus 2 divided by W1 is required transformation for the inverse transformation T1 of transformation T1Z. So with help of this you can write that in the term of Z, T1 inverse Z is equal to, in the term of Z is write as 3Z minus 2 is divided by Z minus 1. Is denoted by third transformation. In the third transformation, for inverse transformation of T1 inverse Z is equal to 3Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 1. And in the second transformation, T2Z is equal to Z divided by Z1. So with help of these two transformation, you can calculate the composition transformation T1 inverse T2Z. Then from transformations second and third, T inverse and T2Z is equal to, taken here first composition of T2Z with help of second transformation, after then putting the transformation third, means T1 inverse and T2Z and first bracket. From the second, putting the value of T2Z is equal to Z divided by Z1, Z divided by Z plus 1. It is implied that T1 inverse and T2Z here, right, is equal to T1 inverse and Z divided by Z plus 1 from second. So from the second, the value of T2Z is equal to Z divided by Z1, the given transformation, putting here, and write T inverse Z. After this, using to the third transformation, because T1 inverse at for the Z point is equal to 3Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 1. So in this transformation, Z is replaced by Z divided by Z plus 1 is equal to 3Z divided by Z plus 1 minus 2 is divided by Z plus 1 minus 1. Here taking simplification for the complete transformation of T inverse 1 and T2 is equal to 3Z minus 2Z minus 2 is divided by Z minus 1. So cancels denominator Z plus 1 and Z plus 1, numerator and denominator, remain is 3Z minus 2Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 1. In denominator, Z and Z cancels from each other, and numerator is 3 minus means only Z minus 2 is divided by minus 1. It is equal to 2 minus Z. So it is implied that T inverse Z and T2 Z is equal to 2 minus Z is required composition of the transformation. T inverse Z and T2 is equal to 2 minus Z is required transformation, required result. So in this question, it's clear that given that two transformation T1Z is equal to Z plus 2 divided by Z plus 3 and T2Z is equal to Z divided by Z plus 1. Find to the value of this composition T inverse of first and with T2 second transformation. For this, first write to the equation first and second, means in the equation first transformation given, and in the equation second transformation given. Okay. After this, you know that for any transformation to Z plane to the W plane, T1Z is equal to W. From the first here, replacing to T1Z by W, because transformation here taken to Z plane to W plane. And after this is replaced by W. So W is equal to Z plus 2 divided by Z plus 3. It is solved for Z, and Z is equal to 3W minus 2 divided by W minus 1. You know that if T1Z is equal to W, then by inverse transformation rule, Z is equal to T inverse W. So here Z is replaced by T inverse W, and T inverse W is equal to 3W minus 2 divided by W minus 1. In this transformation, inverse transformation of first transformation T1 in the term of W, so you can write this in the term of Z. So T1 inverse in the term of Z, same as 3Z minus 2 divided by Z minus 1 is denoted by equation third. So with help of the second and third, you can calculate the composition transformation T1 inverse T2Z. Putting this first, putting the value of T2Z from the equation second, and write this here. From the third, Z is replaced by Z divided by Z plus 1. So in this transformation equation third, Z is replaced by Z divided by Z plus 1. So it is simplification, and at result 2 minus Z. So composition table and composition mapping, composition transformation is 2 minus Z is required transformation according by question. So this question is complete and taken. Next question. In this question, find the image on W plane of circle mod z greater than equal to 1 means here considered to the external area of the circle mod z is equal to 1. On the z plane by transformation z is equal to I times w plus 1 divided by w minus 1. So in this question given that on z plane a circle and consider the external area of the circle means mod z is greater than equal to 1, whose image on the w plane you can calculate, and by help of the z is equal to I times w plus 1 divided by w minus 1. So first write to the given circle on z plane is mod z greater than equal to 1, and the given transformation is z is equal to I times w plus 1 divided by w minus 1. In the given transformation z is equal to I times w plus 1 divided by w minus 1, and given circle mod z is greater than equal to 1 means on the z plane consider external area of the circle mod z is equal to 1. Then here from given transformation z is equal to I times w plus 1 is divided by w minus 1. Taking modulus both sides of this transformation, it is implies that mod z is equal to mod of I with rule of the modulus by subtraction of multiplication and division w minus 1. So you know that mod of I is equal to 1, then mod of I is equal to 1, putting this value here, and consider to external area of the given circle on the z plane means mod z greater than equal to 1. So it is implies that 1 and mod w plus 1 is divided by w minus 1 is greater than equal to 1. Since taken external area of the given circle on z plane, so this external area denotation mod z is greater than equal to 1 of unit circle. Here 1 is the value of mod of I, and after this simplify to this inequality, write w plus 1 greater than equal to w minus 1 mod. After this putting the value of w u plus iv, you know that. So here putting w is equal to u plus iv, it is implies that u plus iv plus 1 mod greater than equal to mod of u plus iv minus 1. It is implied that taken here real in one bracket and imaginary in second bracket, and also taking squaring both sides. So mod u plus 1 in one bracket and iv whole square also greater than equal to mod of u minus 1 plus iv mod whole square. After this taking modulo both sides of the inequality greater than equal to. So rules of modulus of any complex number is write as u plus 1 whole square plus v square greater than equal to u minus 1 whole square plus v square. V square and v square cancels from each other from two sides. Only remain is u plus 1 in LHS side, and RHS side remain is u minus 1. So here write this inequality, and after simplification you can calculate to the an equation for w plane image u plus 1 whole square is greater than equal to u minus 1 whole square. Taking whole squaring and u square plus 1 plus 2u greater than equal to u square plus 1 minus 2u, cancels u square and 1 and 1. So it is implies that 4u greater than equal to 0, implies that u is greater than equal to 0, means real of W greater than equal to 0 is required area on the W plane. So in this question, given a transformation and given a circle, here consider external area of the circle on Z plane, and with help of the modular write mod Z is equal to I, means given transformation taking modular both sides, and after this putting the value of W is equal to U plus IV and simplify to this inequality at reach the point U plus 1 whole square is greater than equal to U minus 1 whole square. So after bracket whole squaring, U square plus 1 2U greater than U square plus 1 minus 2U, and simplification at last point is U greater than equal to 0. You know that small u is the real value of W plane. So here you can write as real of W which is greater than equal to 0. Is the image on the W plane is complete solution of this question. So okay, thanks.